Hey everyone, it's me. This is our washer we've had for a year. It's small, compact, it's nice. I'm going to show you how much it fits. I love this washer. It's great for couples, a single person, a student. This is in our small bathroom that's off of our master bedroom, master suite. It's really helped being upstairs in this room because of my legs and feet the way they are. So I'm going to show you how much it fits. There's one bath towel, 2 bath towels, 3 bath towels, a dress shirt, another of my husband's shirts, another shirt. I think that's going to be it for this time around. It fits more. I'll show you how much space I've taken up. Okay, there's still some room. I'd probably add some underwear, but I don't have any in this basket right now. So, yeah, this is a good batch. I add a half a cup of laundry soap. And I have one of these balls for fabric softener because I'm going to hang these outside. So here's a ball. And I fill it only like a third full. Throw it in. And close. And I hit power. And you hit the size of the load. Right now it's on regular. I'm going to put it on higher because it's towels. And then you hit go. And starts up. I was just hooked to the sink in this little tiny bathroom. And it's draining in the shower. So we can clean it easily. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is perfect for students or a single person or maybe a couple that wants to save money. This is an awesome washer. Does a great job. Thanks, everyone.